2002 Cadillac Eldorado Collector Series ETC. Here at Unique Specialty in Classics. Carfax showing 2 owners. No accidents indicated. Actual miles right now on the odometer, 41,714. White exterior, cashmere interior. Let's take a look at this front fascia. Underneath the hood, the 4.6-liter dual overhead cam V8. Automatic with overdrive transmission, of course, front wheel drive platform. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. This does have new tires on it. As you can see, the stock ETC chrome wheels. I did notice there's a few spots all around the hood where it looks like there's some dingers, might have had some light hail. It's a little tough to see. You really got to get down and look close. I want to point that out. You can see the paint has a nice shine to it. Also a little touch-up spot right here on that fender above the fascia. In front of the wheel well, let's take a look down this passenger side. Little spot in the lower door. I'm going to point out right there. We'll get around to the driver's side, check out that interior, but there you can see the leather bucket seats. Center console. Little plaque stating that this is number 21. What is it? 1596, I believe. You can see that. Number 21 of 1,596. Eldorado Collector Series cars produced. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, I mentioned it does have new tires on it, as well as a new serpentine belt. Brakes are 90% or better. I do want to mention the technician did note the air ride lines and sensors will need some attention. Also that they had the radio working, but the display was intermittent or you could not see the display. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Cadillac Eldorados, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what year you may see come through here. Definitely see our share of Cadillacs. When the videos on them are done, they're uploaded daily. And when these videos are done, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or off our showroom floor. As you can see, paint has a nice shine up and down the driver's side also. Let's check out this interior a little closer. I do want to point out the A-pillar has come down. We do have it in the back seat, and we did picture it with it on the car, but it does not always want to stay up there, but we will send it along with the vehicle, so that will need a little attention. How about the door panels? Looking good. Of course, your modern amenities: power mirrors, power locks, power windows, memory seating, power seat over here on the driver's side. Get a good look at the two-tone leather seats. Of course, tilt column cruise control. Also has steering wheel controls for fan temp and fan speed, as well as some volume and radio controls. All right, exact miles, 41,714. Top of the dash looks good. You can see the electronic climate control here. And again, as far as the stereo, there it is working. You can see just no display like the tech noted. Headliner looks good. Power antenna is working when the radio powered up. Let's listen. Say what you'd expect it to sound like. Nice, quiet. V8 power. Again, 4.6 liter dual overhead cam. I'm going to go ahead and pause this 1 second. Want to get this hood open so we can check out the engine bay. Jason will take this car for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, so stick around to the very end of the video. Here's a good look at the underside of the hood. And engine bay. So power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note AC will need a little attention also. Needs to be recharged. There it is, the 4.6 liter, 32 valve, forced dual overhead cam V8. Running smooth. Number 21 in the Collectors Series. 2002 Cadillac Eldorado ETC, clean Carfax, actual mile car. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 2002 Cadillac Eldorado. Kind of a cream beige color. Works well in this car with some wood grain in the dash. If you see any flickering on the digital part of the dash, that's just our camera's frame rate. That's not the dash. It looks great on the dash. Our HVAC system is working as it should. We've got the heat going a little bit today. As you can see, the weather changes in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. This is an automatic right here on the center console. The stereo works. Now the display does not light up, but it works. I have not tested cassette, but FM's coming in great, and you can change the station and volume as you see fit, even without a display. The temperature gauge is about a third of the way up, almost half. Our tachometer and speedometer are working as they should. The fuel gauge is showing a quarter of a tank. Odometer showing pretty low miles, less than 50,000 on this car. And it feels like it. Well maintained, nice driving car. Leather bucket seats, very comfortable. The left pillar, the driver's side pillar mount is adhered with double side tape. Other than that, the interior looks quite nice. Corners very well, stays pretty flat in the corners, especially for a Cadillac. It tends to lean more luxurious. This one definitely sporty in the corners. Plenty of power. The automatic transmission shifted nicely. Multiple position power seats. Two-door Cadillac. Take a look at all the pictures of this Eldorado at uniqueclassiccars.com.